Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your social studies book and open page number 4. Family trees. A family tree show us family connections. Here's a family tree. Grandfather, grandmother, they are connected to each other, and then father, mother, they are connected to each other. Uncle, aunt, they are connected to each other. Brother, sister, they are connected to each other. And then cousin, he is a cousin of both of them. Like जैसे आपके फादर मदर हैं और जो आपके चाचू और चाची हैं, ठीक है। फिर चाचू और चाची की जो आपके बेटे या बेटी होते हैं वो आपके जो कज़न्स होते हैं। इसी तरह आप लोग अपने मामा पापा के जो होते हैं बच्चे होते हैं वो आपस में बहन भाई होते हैं। And they call siblings. Like your father and uncle is brother. Okay, question. Here is the family tree of the Ali family. Talk about it. Fill in the names. आपने इनके नेम्स लिखने इन सब फैमिली मेम्बर्स के. Who is she? She is Fatima Malik. Fatima. Fatma. Malik. Malik. Who is he? He is Akbar Malik. Akbar. Akbar. Malik. Malik. They are grandparents of Zainab and grandmother and grandfather of Yasin and Anam. Okay, who is he? He is Mr. Raza Ali. R-A-Z-A. Raza A-L-I. Ali. And she is Zainab Ali. Z-A-I-N-A-B. Zainab A-L-I. Ali. They both are parents of Anam and Yasir. Who is she? She is Anam. A-N-U-M. Anam. And he is Yasir. Y-A-S-I-R. Yasir. This is the family tree and they are connected to each other. Now open page number 5. Look at Yasir and Anam's family tree again. Answer the following. Who is the name of the person? Yasir's father. Who is Yasir's father? Mr. Raza Ali. Right here, Raza Ali. Now Yasir's sister. Yasir's sister. Who is Yasir's sister? Anam. Right here, Anam. Mr. Ali's son. Who is Mr. Ali's son? Yasir. Right here, Yasir. Now Anam's mother. Who is Anam's mother? Zainab Ali. Right here, Zainab Ali. Mrs. Ali's daughter, Anam. Mrs. Ali's mother, Fatma Malik. Anam's brother, Yasir. Mr. Malik's daughter, Zainab Ali. Now part B, write about your family, fill in the blanks. This is your homework and write it neatly on your books. Take care, Allah Hafiz.